In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use host key Zoom. By the end, you'll know exactly how to claim host in a Zoom meeting using your host key, why it matters, and a few tips to keep things smooth and secure. Before we begin, a quick refresher on what the host key is. The host key is a personal 6-digit PIN assigned to your Zoom account. It lets you claim host controls in a meeting, especially useful when you join a meeting that was started without you or when you're using a shared meeting room. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly and change it if you think it's been exposed. If you don't know your host key, check your Zoom account settings or ask your account admin. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom meeting. This can be a meeting you scheduled, a personal meeting room, or a meeting that's already running. Make sure you're logged into the correct Zoom account that owns the host key you'll be using. If you're joining from a device that isn't signed in, you can still claim host. You'll just need to enter that 6-digit key in a moment. Once you're in the meeting, look for the participants option. On desktop, it's along the bottom toolbar. On mobile, you may need to tap your screen to see the controls and then select participants. Inside the participants panel, you'll see a button or link labeled Claim Host. Go ahead and select that. If you don't see Claim Host, it usually means someone is already the host or co-host. In that case, ask the current host to assign you host if needed, or wait until the host leaves and the option becomes available. When prompted, enter your 6-digit host key. Type it carefully, then confirm. If the code is correct, you'll immediately gain host controls. You'll know it worked when you see more controls appear, such as security, record, breakout rooms, and the ability to manage the waiting room, mute or unmute participants, and assign co-hosts. If you get an error, double check that you're using the host key